Hello everyone, welcome to SkyTech Academy, a structural software training institute where you learn lots of practical engineering concepts. Today we are going to learn how to create inclined grid system in ETABS software. For that purpose, you need to go over here in new model. And then one template will come which is known as model initialization. Here you have to select use built-in settings with metric aside, steel section database Indian because I am making projects in India. Okay, and steel code and this concrete code. After that, click on OK. Now I will create 4 number of grid lines in X direction, 4 numbers in Y direction. Spacing will be 5 meters in X and Y respectively. And then simply click on grid only and then OK. After this, you will get 3 windows, Model Explorer, window 1 and window 2. You can cancel these 2 windows, and now this is a squarish grid pattern in orthogonal directions, but I want to make it as inclined grid system. So how can I make it? For that purpose, you need to go in edit stories and grid systems. In grid systems, modify show grid systems, and after that here you can see system origin. Here in rotation you have to provide the angle by which you want to incline your grid system. Okay, so I will make the grid system inclined by 30 degree to horizontal. Okay, I'll provide here 30 degrees and then simply click OK, and here I will click on OK. You can see the inclined grid system is now visible. So that's all for today's session. If you liked our video, then please like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.